In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Pipedrive. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to efficiently manage their sales pipeline and client relationships using this powerful CRM tool. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring clarity and ease of understanding, so you can get started without any hassle. First, head over to the Pipedrive website. This is your go-to place for logging in and accessing all the incredible features that Pipedrive offers for managing your sales and contacts. Once you're on the Pipedrive homepage, locate the Login button. It should be prominently displayed, typically at the top right corner of the page. Give it a click to proceed to the login screen. Here, you'll need to enter your credentials, your username and password, to gain access to your account. This step is crucial, so make sure your login details are correct to avoid any delays. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Pipedrive homepage. This is your main dashboard, the central hub where all your activities and options are neatly organized. From here, look for the Contacts option in the main menu. Clicking on Contacts will lead you to your Contacts section, where you manage, view, and update your existing connections. Once you've clicked on Contacts, it's time to focus on the People option. This section is specifically designed for managing individuals within your network rather than organizations. Click on People, which might already display a list of names and essential details, reflecting all the people you've previously added or interacted with. The next step is crucial if you're looking to add someone new. Spot the Add Person button, which is often highlighted to stand out for easy access. Clicking on this will open a new dialog or form where you can fill in all the pertinent information about the contact you wish to add. This could include their name, email address, phone number, and any notes or tags that will help you better organize and understand your relationship with them. Take your time to fill out each field carefully, ensuring accuracy in the details. If you're unsure about any specific pieces of information, you might want to double-check or leave it for later updates. Once you're satisfied with the entered details, confirm the addition of this new contact. This action seamlessly integrates the person into your Pipedrive contact list, ready for any future interactions or opportunities. Congratulations! You've successfully added a new contact in Pipedrive. With this process, you are now better equipped to manage your growing network, keeping your sales pipeline robust and well-organized. Feel free to revisit these steps as often as needed to maintain an updated and accurate contact list, ensuring your CRM is working effectively for your business needs.